finally Deity has officially come to India, and I am one of the lucky few who have got their hands on some of their awesome products used by content creators, voiceover artists, production houses across the globe. That in itself should tell you something about the company and their products. Hi guys, my name is Regnal and welcome to my channel. Before we begin, I'd like to give a special shout out to the Reliable Store for hooking me up with this mic just before it is launched in India. Their links are in the description. However guys, this is not a paid promotion. So with that out of the way, let's get started. First off, let's see what comes in the box. The mic comes in this really nice hard shell carrying case. You will obviously get the microphone. It does come with a windshield. No dead cat here, unfortunately. That you will have to buy separately with the location kit. You get a microphone clip along with the adapter for the mic and some paperwork. The S-Mic 2 by Deity is a condenser shotgun microphone with an XLR output, which you will directly connect to a professional camcorder, a cinema camera, or a dedicated sound recorder with an XLR input. There are no buttons on the body of the mic for a high pass filter or a high frequency boost. So a very clean looking exterior and pretty straightforward, by the way. The body of the microphone has been sprayed with a black speckle paint, which gives it an ultra durable finish and makes it less reflective on set. The build quality of the S2 mic is absolutely insane. It feels like it can withstand the daily abuse that this mic will endure in the field. It does feel on the heavy side compared to other mics, weighing in at about 198 grams. It is milled solidly out of brass, which is a very good thing, as it does help with rejecting any of the radio frequency interference that may occur. One of the main enemies of microphones is water. If humidity or water condenses on the capsule, most of the microphone, they start to sound distorted and the quality deteriorates really fast. One interesting thing Deity has done here is they have coated the PCB with a clear epoxy, which makes it waterproof. So even if you're shooting in the rain or a very humid environment, you're good to go, and that is a really nice feature set to have at this price point. The all important question is, how does this mic sound? So far you guys have been listening to the S-Mic 2 for the entirety of this review. I have this connected to the Avantis digital audio workstation by Allen and Heath. There are no effects or EQ applied on this channel. I have just set the levels to get a clear audio signal, and the phantom power is turned on. The camera is set to -12 dB. So for a short comparison, I have two mics set up right next to the S2. On my right, I have the Shure SM58. That's the Shure SM58 that you're listening to right now, which has been an industry standard mics for capturing vocals for the longest time that I can remember. On the left, I have the Samson CO2 mic, another very cheap mic that has been used by many people across. This should give you a fair comparison between all these mics. The Samson mic is a condenser mic, very similar to the S2 mic. Again, I have not applied any effects or EQ on this. I have just tried to balance it over here. Phantom power has been applied to the mic. So in the first test, I had no EQ applied on any of the mics. Now I have applied a basic EQ on all the three mics, and let's do a quick comparison between how these mics would sound once basic EQ is applied. Currently you are hearing the S-Mic 2 with basic EQ applied. Now you're hearing on the Shure SM58 with basic EQ applied. Now you're hearing my voice on the Samsung CO2 with basic EQ applied. I hope this gives you a basic understanding of how these mics would sound once you've done a basic EQ on it before you move forward to the next process in your editing. Alright, so for this test I am actually outdoor, as you can tell. There's a road, there's a main road on the right to me, about 30 feet in that direction, and on this side there are a few birds chirping and there's a dog barking over there. This should give you a fair example of what this mic would sound when you're recording on location. This would be the primary use for a mic like this. The very basic EQ has been applied on the mic, cutting some of the high frequencies, and I am standing about 3 feet away from the mic, and it is pointed right at my chest. The polar pattern on this mic is a super cardioid. Now, for those of you who didn't understand what I just said, a simple way to understand this is cardioid, cardio, heart. So if you think of this as having a heart shape around the mic, and whatever is in this field is picked up by the mic. That is the simplest way to explain what supercardioid is. One more thing I would like to show you is the pickup pattern of this mic. So this is me talking to the mic at about 12 inches. This is me talking to the mic head on, 45 degrees to the right, 90 degrees to the right. That's 180 degrees to the mic, 90 degrees to the left of the mic, 45 degrees to the left of the mic, and this is me talking to the mic straight ahead. So I hope that cleared out how the pickup pattern of this mic is. So one good thing of having the super cardioid pickup pattern is that if you are using this for an interview, and if you're interviewing two people who are sitting next to each other, you can get away with just using this one mic. The S Mic 2 does a pretty good job in recording voice, and you've been hearing this for the entirety of this review. One mic that this is compared to a lot is the Sennheiser MKH416, which I believe was designed somewhere in the 1970s and has been the industry standard for location and production mixers for a very long time. I feel this mic is very close to that in terms of the audio quality and the broadcast quality, what is the term that people usually use. I feel that it does capture the lower frequencies really well. In the end, guys, what I feel is what matters most is how well the mic captures your sound, and in post how easy it makes your life to process that signal. That I feel is what matters, and this does a really good job. Is this the right mic for you is something that you can only answer. Do let me know in the comments what you guys think of the quality of this mic. In conclusion, I would like to say that I am really impressed with the Deity S Mic 2. This mic really holds up well to all the hype that has been surrounding it for the last year and a half since this was launched. And this is one mic that I will definitely be including in my kit for future videos. And yes, this definitely is not going back, because I will definitely be keeping this mic. So guys, I hope this review was a little bit of help to you, and do let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you want me to do a few more videos comparing different mics. And yep, I shall see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.